Hello students, today we'll be doing the solved example question number 5. Messrs. Sudarshan Traders in a partnership firm in which Ram and Krishna are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:2. Means the business name, the firm name is Messrs. Sudarshan Traders. So when you start the sum, in the beginning you will write in the books of Sudarshan Traders. In the books of Messrs. Sudarshan Traders, then you will write trading account for the year ended 31st March 2019. The partners are Ram and Krishna. Now you might be knowing opening stock. Opening stock we write in trading account debit side. Opening stock trading account debit side. Capital account. Now here you see capital account is also given and current account is also given. So capital account you will directly write in the balance sheet liability side. You can see here capital Ram and Krishna. Capital Ram and Krishna 1,60,000 plus 80,000 you will be getting 2,40,000. This is a fixed capital method because your current account is given to you. We will prepare current account. Now see in the solution they have prepared first trading profit and loss account and then they have prepared balance sheet. You will not prepare like that. You will first make trading profit loss account, then you prepare partners current account, and then last statement you prepare is balance sheet. Now current account balance. Now current account balance you can see debit side Krishna's balance is given and credit side Ram's balance is given. So as I told you before also that current account will have both the balances, debit balances as well as credit balances. It's not necessary that it will have only credit balance. So the posting, so Ram balance is given on credit side. See the answer, Ram column. It is written on credit side. By balance brought down 8,000 rupees. By balance brought down 8,000 rupees on credit side. And on debit side you can see two balance brought down. Krishna's amount 4,000. Krishna's amount 4,000. Then we have purchases. Purchases as we know trading account debit side. Purchases will be trading account debit side. Then you have sales. Sales you have trading account credit side by sales. Sundry debtors. Sundry debtors 1,73,500. This you will write in balance sheet asset side. Sundry debtors 1,73,500. You have to write in the inner column as there is one adjustment. Sundry creditors you will show in the liability side. Sundry creditors show in the liability side 41,800. 41,800. Bills receivable asset side 47,000. Bills receivable you will show in the asset side 47,000. Bills payable on credit side is given to you 21,000. So bills payable you will write in balance sheet liability side bills payable 21,000. Commission is given on debit side. The commission on debit side it is expense commission 2,800. Commission you will write in profit loss account debit side to commission 2800. Wages is 1760. Trading account debit side wages 1760 rupees. Salaries 3000 rupees. Salaries will be in profit and loss account debit side to salaries. Profit and loss account के debit side में to salaries 3000. Furniture which is 25,000. Furniture, it is an asset. Furniture 25,000 you have to show in balance sheet. Asset side furniture, the amount you have to write in outer column as there is no adjustment. Plant and machinery is 63,000. Plant and machinery is 63,000. It is an assets. Write in balance sheet asset side plant and machinery. Write the amount in the inner column 63,000. Plant and machinery 63,000. RDD it is old RDD. See the RDD, it is old RDD 1000 rupees. RDD you will less from debtors. You have to write the equation of the bad debt in profit and loss account debit side. You have to write the equation of the bad debts. Two bad debts plus new bad debts plus new RDD, leave one line less old RDD. Two bad debts plus new bad debt plus new bad debts plus new RDD, leave one line, right, less old RDD. Then you have investment. Investment is 10,500. It is recorded in balance sheet asset side. Investment balance sheet asset side 10,500. Balance sheet asset side investment. Then we have loans and advances given. See, there are loans and advances taken भी हो सकता है, given भी हो सकता है. If it is given यानी वो हमारे लिए asset है. Loans and advances given, it is our asset. So you have to show in balance sheet asset side loan and advances 35,240. 35,240 loan and advances 35,240. Insurance profit and loss account debit side insurance 2,500. You have to write in the inner column as there is an adjustment 2,500. Write in the inner column. Bad debts you will write in profit and loss account debit side. Bad debts you will write in profit and loss account debit side. Bad debt is 500. Profit and loss account debit side में लिखो. To insurance 2,500. 12% government bonds. 12% government bonds. This is an asset. 12% government bond, it is an asset. So you will write in balance sheet asset side 12% government bond. Write in the inner column. Now see, in government bond there is an adjustment given in bracket 12% government bond, and when it is purchased on 1/1 है ना. देखो क्या दिया है, purchased on 1/1/2019 and our year ends on 31st March 2019. यानी if you calculate from 1st Jan अगर आप 1 जैन से कैलकुलेट करोगे तो आपको मिलेगा जैन फेब मार्च, यानी 3 महीने का आपको इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा। तो व्हाट यू विल डू, 15,000 को 15,000 you multiply with 12% upon 100। 15,000 you multiply with 12 upon 100 into 3 by 12। आई रिपीट द कैलकुलेशन। इंटरेस्ट रिसीवेबल, जो इंटरेस्ट आपको मिलेगा, 15,000 को मल्टीप्लाई करो 12 से, डिवाइड करो 100 से। 15,000 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 100 into 3 by 12, because this इन्वेस्टमेंट इज डन ऑन 1 जैन। तो जैन फेब मार्च कितना महीना हुआ, 3 महीना हुआ है। तो क्या करोगे, 15,000 को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 12, डिवाइड करोगे 100 से, मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 3 by 12 से। द अमाउंट विल बी 450 रुपीज़। सो दिस 450 यू विल ऐड इंटरेस्ट रिसीवेबल 450। तो 15,000 प्लस 450 कितना आएगा, 15,450। इसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट आएगा प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में। इसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट आएगा प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में, बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड्स रिसीवेबल। बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड्स रिसीवेबल 450। बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड्स रिसीवेबल 450। तो फर्स्ट इफेक्ट आपने क्या किया, फर्स्ट इफेक्ट आपने किया है इंटरेस्ट ऑन गवर्नमेंट बॉन्ड, आपने उसको ऐड किया है। सेकेंड इफेक्ट यू विल शो इन प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड एज इट इज़ एन इनकम, एज इट इज़ एन इनकम। Now we go for adjustment. Number 1, stock on hand on 31st March 2019 was valued at rupees 38,000. Stock on hand on 31st March 2019 was valued at rupees 38,000. This is closing stock. This is closing stock, stock on hand. So first effect will be trading account credit side by closing stock 38,000. By closing stock 38,000. And second effect, balance sheet asset side. Second effect you will show in balance sheet asset side closing stock 38,000. closing stock. Ram is allowed a salary of 6,000 and Krishna is allowed a commission at 3% on net sale। यानी कि राम को हमें सैलरी देना है, वी हैव टू गिव सैलरी टू राम, वी हैव टू गिव सैलरी टू राम। तो बिजनेस हैव टू गिव सैलरी टू राम, तो इट इज़ एन एक्सपेंस फॉर द बिजनेस। सो वी विल बी राइटिंग in profit and loss account debit side, to Ram salary 6,000, to Ram salary rupees 6,000. Second effect you will show in partners current account credit side by profit and loss account, ब्रैकेट में लिखा राम सैलरी, क्योंकि इसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट कहाँ मिलेगा आपको, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में। तो इसलिए आप क्या लिखोगे, बाय प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट लिखोगे, ब्रैकेट में लिखोगे राम सैलरी 6,000, बाय प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, ब्रैकेट में लिखो राम सैलरी 6,000। फर्स्ट इफेक्ट प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड में, सेकेंड इफेक्ट आएगा पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में 6,000। The next we have to commission to Krishna। देख रहे हैं, कमीशन, कमीशन कितना दिया है? कृष्णा इज अलाउड ए कमीशन एट 3% ऑन नेट सेल्स. कृष्णा इज अलाउड कमीशन एट 3% ऑन नेट सेल. यानी सेल कितना आपका 2,08,000. इफ़ यू सी द सेल अमाउंट इज 2,08,000. So 2,08,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 100. 208,000 multiplied by 3 divided by 100. 3%. 2,08,000 into 3 divided by 100. It comes to 6240. So this is a commission which is given to Krishna. So to commission to Krishna 6240. To commission to Krishna 6240. Second effect, it is an income for the partner. Second effect, it is an income for the partner. So we write in partners current account credit side. Partners current account credit side by profit and loss account. In bracket you write commission. In Krishna's column you write 6240. By profit and loss account commission, Krishna's column you write 6240. इंटरेस्ट ऑन पार्टनर्स कैपिटल इज टू प्रोवाइडेड एट 5% per annum. यानी कि पार्टनर्स वॉट एवर अमाउंट दे आर ब्रिंगिंग ऑन दैट अमाउंट वी हैव टू गिव इंटरेस्ट एट 5% per annum. We have to give interest at 5% per annum. We have to give interest at 5% per annum. So first you have to calculate what is the interest amount. So see what is the capital they have brought. The capital they have brought is 1,60,000 and 80,000. So 1,60,000. See the calculation. 1,60,000 multiplied by 5 upon 100. 1,60,000 multiplied by 5 upon 100. It comes to 8,000. Similar way, 80,000 into 5 upon 100, it comes to 4,000. 8,000 and 4,000. So the first effect you will show in profit and loss account debit side. First effect you will show in profit and loss account debit side to interest on capital. To interest on capital, Ram and Krishna, 8,000 and 4,000, you add up, it comes to 12,000. So interest on capital, it will have a second effect. Second effect you will write in partners current account credit side. Partners current account credit side by profit and loss account. Partners current account credit side by profit and loss account interest on capital 8,000 4,000. 8,000 and 4,000. The next adjustment is provide depreciation on plant and machinery. Provide depreciation on plant and machinery at 5%. So your assets, your plant and machinery is 63,000. On that you calculate 5%. 63,000 into 5 upon 100. 63,000 into 5 upon 100, you will be getting 3150. Outer column you will have 59,850. Depreciation will have two effects. First effect you wrote in balance sheet asset side less from the assets. 63,000 का आप 5% निकाला. कैसे मिला 5%? 63,000 into 5 upon 100. It comes to 3150, which will be 59,850. Second effect you will show in profit and loss account debit side. Second effect you will show in profit and loss account debit side to depreciation on plant and machinery 3150. 3150. Then rupees 3000 from our customer is not recoverable. अपने कस्टमर के पास से 3000 रुपये है वो जो रिकवरेबल नहीं है, इट इज़ नॉट रिकवरेबल. So if it is not recoverable, that means it is our bad debts. Rupees 3000 from our customer is not recoverable, so 3000 rupees is a bad debt. Bad debt first effect you will show in balance sheet asset side. Balance sheet asset side less bad debt 3000, you will be getting 1,70,500. Second effect, profit and loss account debit side in front of new RDD. It is RDD given, नॉट रिकवरेबल, तो बैड डेप होना चाहिए, बट वहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, RDD लिखा है. वहाँ पे RDD नहीं आना चाहिए, टू न्यू बैड डेप आना चाहिए. बैड डेप न्यू, प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक थे वहाँ पर. टू बैड डेप ओल्ड प्लस बैड डेप न्यू, न्यू बैड डेप. सो 500 प्लस 3000 विल गिव यू 3500. उसमें से माइनस करो 1000, विल बी गेटिंग 2500. 3500 minus 1000 will give you 2500. Then the last adjustment, prepaid insurance rupees 500. Insurance is prepaid, so first effect is insurance से minus करो. To insurance 2500 less prepaid 500, so 2500 minus 500 you will be getting 2000 rupees. प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस आप माइनस करोगे 2500 माइनस 500 यू विल बी गेटिंग 2000. सेकेंड इफेक्ट, इंश्योरेंस का सेकेंड इफेक्ट, बैलेंस शीट एसेट साइड यू विल राइट प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस 500. बैलेंस शीट एसेट साइड यू विल राइट 500. Now you will close the account. First you close a trading account. So again here there is a gross profit, it means your credit side is heavier. क्रेडिट साइड का टोटल आपका है 2,08,000 प्लस 38,000. सो 2,08,000 प्लस 38,000 दोनों प्लस करो कितना मिलेगा, 2,46,000. 2,46,000 में से माइनस करो डेबिट का आइटम. 2,46,000 हेवियर साइड है, दोनों बाजू में लिखो 2,46,000 minus 36,000 minus 1 lakh minus 1760, you will be getting 1,08,240. 2,46,000 में से आप माइनस करो 36,000 माइनस करो 1 lakh माइनस करो 1760, you will be getting 1,08,240. Now this gross profit you will carry forward to profit and loss account credit side. By gross profit brought down 1,08,240. ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट जो आपका डेबिट साइड में आया है ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड में, टू ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट कैरी डाउन 1,08,240. दिस यू विल ट्रांसफर टू प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड 1,08,240. Now total the credit side and total the debit side separately. Again here you will see that credit side is heavier. क्रेडिट साइड का टोटल आ रहा है 1,08,690. सो 1,08,690 यू विल एड अप, आपको मिलेगा 1,08,000. दोनों बाजू लिखो 1,08,690 और उसमें से आप 1,08,690 में से आप आइटम डेबिट का आइटम माइनस करो. 2,800, 3,000, 2,000, 6,000, 6,240 माइनस करने पर यू विल बी गेटिंग 71,000. दिस 71,000 will be distributed among both the partners in their profit sharing ratio. If ratio is not given then you have to take it equal. तो आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे टू नेट प्रॉफिट ट्रांसफर पार्टनर्स टू करंट अकाउंट. राम 35,500, कृष्णा 35,500. राम 35,500, कृष्णा 35,500। ये डेबिट में लिखो आप। इसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट जाएगा पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में। पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड देखो, बाय प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, बाय प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट 35,500, 35,500। वहाँ प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है, 35,000 सिर्फ लिखा है वहाँ पर, 35,500 आना चाहिए। फिर आप पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट को क्लोज़ कीजिए, पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट को क्लोज़ कीजिए। इसके भी क्रेडिट साइड ज़्यादा आ रहा है, तो क्रेडिट साइड के टोटल करने पर मिल रहा है 57,500, 45,740। क्रेडिट साइड को प्लस करो, 8,000 प्लस 6,000 प्लस 8,000 प्लस 35,500, एडअप करो, यू बी गेटिंग 57,500। 6,240 प्लस 4,000 प्लस 35,000 विल गिव यू 45,740। ये दोनों बाजू लिखो आप। फिर डेबिट में राम पे कुछ भी नहीं है, तो सेम बैलेंस आ जाएगा 57,500। डेबिट में राम के साइड में कुछ भी नहीं दिया है, तो 57,500 एज इट इज़ विल बी द बैलेंसिंग फिगर। एंड कृष्णा का जो टोटल आ रहा है 45,740, उसमें से माइनस करो कृष्णा का जो 4,000 है। सो 45,740 माइनस 4,000, यू विल बी गेटिंग 41,740। दिस इज टू बैलेंस कैरी डाउन, this two balance carried on will be taken, this carried down, this will go to balance sheet liability side current account, balance sheet liability side current account। राम एंड कृष्णा, राम का टोटल है 57,500, कृष्णा का टोटल है 41,740। दोनों प्लस करो, यू विल बी गेटिंग 99,240। Then we total the outer column of liability, total column of assets. You will see both the side will have same total, both the side will have same total। And they get tallied on both the sides, same amount will be there। Okay, so before you start this problem, you have to make the okay, so students kindly do this sum in the notebook। If you have any doubt anywhere in any of the adjustment, please ask me in my personal account personal phone number। Thank you students।